Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a brand new wheelchair accessible rear entry conversion. Very easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using these two fingers. It's got these clamps that keep the ramps from rattling. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch here and I flip just like so, and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone pulls up next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. This is an 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then once you're inside the van, tapers down to about 32 inches width here at the base. And this is the deep cut. The channel goes all the way up there behind the front seats. This will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. You can see we've got 8 tie down points in here. Brand new Q strength. Those are high dollar. We throw those in at no charge to you. Now, a lot of our competitors sell them with no tie downs. You got to pay for extra for tie downs. Well, they give you the crummy tie downs. You got to upgrade to the nice ones. We've got the nice ones already included. We can also include a third row seat here that'll flip down, where you could haul potentially 6 people plus a wheelchair. We've got 21 inches of room between those seats up there. We can put seats that flip up on their side if need be to clear that entire canal, so you can haul 2 chairs at a time easier. So talk to me about your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Great shape in the headliner, look good. Rear air controls, cup holders in the rear for your passengers. You got your spare tire there. Got all your tie down warranty and information there. Nice center console there for all your cup holders, plug-ins for your electronics, even more cup holders. You got dual climate control, rear air controls. The dash is in great shape. There's no cracks or holes in the dash. You got steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Simply reverse the process. Again, one finger, that's all it takes. Just like so. Lift her up. Clamp it down. And you are ready to roll. I'm going to do a quick walk around to the van. And as you can see, it's got the tinted windows. These tires are got the alloy wheels on here. It's got 4 Goodyear tires on it. They're in excellent shape, darn near brand new. As you can see by pictures and videos, this van is super clean. I personally buy every single one of our vehicles. I'm always looking for super clean vehicles. Check out these tires. Not quite brand new, but they are not far from that. So lots of tread left on the tires. Very clean van for being a 2013. Yes, I know there's cheaper vans on the market. That's fine. I know where they come from. I know what kind of condition they're in. But overall, very nice, clean van. Little piece of touch-up paint right there. I'm not trying to portray this as a perfect van, but it's very nice, very well taken care of. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number, not just a picture, a video. And why I say that, especially on Facebook Marketplace, that has the biggest bunch of scammers in the world. 80% of the vehicles on Facebook Marketplace are a scam. What they're doing, they're taking pictures of my vans or other vans. They're cutting off my label, the Mobility 316, they're shrinking it down, and they're selling the van like it's their van, but they're putting like $15,000 or $10,000, and they're trying to get someone to send a deposit to hold the van. Once you send that money, you're never going to hear from them again. You're getting scammed. So now be aware of that, and what you need to tell them is, hey, I want you to send me a video of the VIN number, just like so. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Mobility 316. This van's here in my possession. They could not make that statement on camera because they couldn't provide the van, because they don't have the van. They're probably not even in this country. They're just here trying to scam people on the internet. So beware of that when you're out shopping. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see 1 owner, no accidents or damage, 10 service records, so it's been serviced regularly. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of those super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 1 owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Now, whoever you do business with, find them on the internet, look them up. Check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay. I've been on eBay since November 2004. Had 1,527 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left me positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that's a pretty good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Again, make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out their reviews. You know, I hear horror stories all the time about people buying vans from, again, people off Facebook or Craigslist. They end up buying a vehicle that's stolen. Yes, people do sell stolen vehicles. When the police catch up to that van, the buyer has to give back the van. They do not get their money back. They're out the van and the money. So you better know what you're doing. Or they buy from one of these dealers that have a 1 or 2, 3-star ratings here, and instead of a 4.8 like we have, they end up buying a van that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, had horrible flood damage they weren't told about, you know, bad engine, bad transmission, you name it. I've heard it all. So, you know, if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vehicles, you deal with the general public. You go ahead and deal with those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We do have the 1-key fob. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so affordably. Now inside the van, this van's pretty dang good for nice, clean for a 2013. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Just a little different perspective. Also, not only the back, but check out those back seats. See how clean they are. When I go to start up the van, you can see it's got 53,947 miles. And you can see all the dummy lights work. The check engine light, airbag, ABS, and they all go out. No check engine lights on or anything like that. Yeah, radio works just fine. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. I'm going to show you the power mirrors and windows working here. We test the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, take them on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, and I hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. I do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection in our huge warehouse to make sure they're ready to go. Underneath the hood, we got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten as I crawl underneath the van. Much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any flood damage, you know, water damage or anything like that. No signs of any rust from being up in the rust belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 53,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And folks, I got news for you. New cars get flooded. They're not immune to being flooded, so any vehicle can have flood damage. And what I challenge you to do is go check out my competition. That's right, I'm sending you to the competition. I don't care if it's a private individual, I don't care if it's another dealer, but I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest and affordable? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and never been in a flood? Do they get out on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures of the undercarriage, much less detailed video, so you can see there's no bad accident from bent up frame underneath here. There's no water damage underneath here. So when it comes to only price, when it comes to reputation, or when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact van you're getting, please compare me to the competition. And tell me what happens if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with somebody that's a shady individual. Well, I will tell you what happens. You can't get a title for it, you can't register it, you can't drive it. What happens if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage? Whether it be from an accident or a flood, you know, from real bad rust, and it won't pass inspection in your state. Again, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So no matter who you do business with, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video. #1, demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying an $80 pair of Nikes on the internet. You're buying an expensive mobility van. Demand that detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax are expensive. They cost me thousands of dollars a month. But I do that, and I truly mean this. I'm buying from your perspective. I want the best vehicles. I want the nice 1 owner, clean title, no accidents, super clean. That's what I'm looking for. Third thing is, we talked about this multiple times. Get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Put in your due diligence. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country, We stand behind our products. We make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Van pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. Also keep in mind, we do offer a complimentary 90-day warranty at no charge to you. We do have long-term warranties that cover more components on the vehicle. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, what they have hidden in the fine print, or don't tell you until it's time to buy. $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got fees for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, and especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, in attempts to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake, and you'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, here's a number to my cell phone, 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. You now have access to reach out to me, call or text me anytime. Let me know how I can help. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to make sure you have access to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back, or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and I definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales here. We're going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. So financing, we do have financing available. On a vehicle this age, it might be a little tougher to get financing, just be straight up honest with you, but it is possible. So give me a call with text, we can figure out how to, if we can get you financed on it. And if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone and call us. We're happy to take an application over the phone. But yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase and there's a lot of information, so I try to be as detailed as possible. And if you ever do want to come in, please make sure you make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. I'm busy every second of the day, but I'd be happy to spend some time with you if you make that appointment. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every van, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.